Do you need reliable stencils for painting the same message or design over and over? Our custom cut metal stencils are sturdy, reliable, and made for precision. Each cut is clean and consistent. Sharp results every time. We offer metal letter and number stencils, custom logo stencils, cut to your exact specs. If you need lightweight, flexible stencils, check out our Mylar 10 mil options. Are you ready to customize your own? Upload your art or message, and we will cut your stencil to order. Fast, clean, and built to last.